Hey babe. What's up?
Nothing. How's your day today?
What are you doing? Where'd you get that sweater?
Oh, this? Um, Costco?
Uh-huh.
So for this first outfit, I'm just wearing one of my boyfriend's simple concert tees and a simple black skirt. And I'm going to pair it with a Sherpa jacket. And then lastly, I'm going to pair it with some high top Converse that are again my boyfriend's. We wear the same size shoes and clothes, which works out really nice. And then I'm going to just add these dangly earrings. So this next outfit consists of a pair of ripped jeans, these are mine, and then his white Converse and a Hawaiian type print shirt, which is his. And I'm just gonna button it down, not all the way, and then yeah, this crotch is like really weird. It looks like it's open all the time, but then it's not. I need to like iron it or something. So then I'm just gonna tie it up there, and yeah. So I'm wearing a tan cami with this, but if you want to show a little bit more skin, you can unbutton it a couple more up from the bottom and then just tie it higher up. And I'm just gonna pull that up there for the sake of the video. Also, this would look really cute with the belt, but I borrowed my boyfriend's belt and I lost it. So you can add a belt if you want, that would look nice. So next I'm going to keep the ripped jeans and I'm just going to add this cute graphic tee. I really like this one. So here I am trying to do some little kick thing to transition into the Snoopy shoes that I am borrowing from my boyfriend, and in case you didn't see, the pocket on the shirt has a little Snoopy. So for this next outfit, I'm going to take another pair of my jeans and pair it with one of my boyfriend's dress shirts. So this last look is probably one of my favorites. I'm taking the simple black skirt from before and then a pair of Doc Martens and a black dress shirt. The dress shirt being my boyfriend's. Paired this with some simple jewelry, a simple necklace and ring, and just tuck the shirt up like I did before into the waistband and then just tying it in the front there. So unless you like the look of not wearing any pants, I'm just going to tuck this jersey into the waistband a little bit, just in the front, enough so that you can see the skirt.
So much fun making this. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey babe, I'm home.